this exciting YouTube video, we take a closer look at the Triton 2.0 by Wind River Tiny Homes. This tiny home is an upgraded version of the original Triton model and comes packed with several new features and enhancements. The exterior combines board and batten LP smart side siding with Shusugiban Western red cedar lap accent, trim, and fascia. A shed-style tough rib metal roof provides space for 3 clerestory windows along the front of the home. You'll see how the raised floor creates additional storage space while also adding a sense of separation between the living and sleeping areas. The kitchen boasts a beautiful stainless steel counter, which is complemented by a stylish glass subway tile backsplash. Additionally, there is a high-quality stainless steel refrigerator, as well as an electric 2-burner cooktop and a single bowl sink. The open shelves are perfectly matched to the exposed rafters, creating a cohesive and visually appealing look. Located next to the storage stairs, this workspace features a beautiful live-edge cedar desk that is both sturdy and visually striking. The desk is accompanied by a set of shelving units that provide ample space for storing books, files, and other office essentials. Stunning bathroom of a modern home, which features a range of sleek and eco-friendly amenities. The shower and floor are tiled with a stylish and practical 12 by 24 tile, which adds a touch of sophistication to the space. The vanity provides ample storage space for toiletries and other essentials, while the composting toilet is a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional toilets. Additionally, above the toilet, there is a built-in storage space that is perfect for keeping towels, toilet paper, and other items close at hand. Overall, this bathroom is a shining example of how to combine style and sustainability to create a truly remarkable space. Storage stairs lead up to master loft and a custom steel fabricated ladder leads up to the second loft. The storage stairs have treads and bullnose that match the hardwood flooring throughout the house.